Sister Halima had a couple of questions before the break. The first is pertaining the Adhan of Fajr. Is it one or two Adhan? There are two Adhans. One which was at the time of the Prophet ﷺ would be called by Abdullah ibn Maktum in order to alert people that were approaching the time of Fajr. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, كُلُوا وَاشْرَبُوا حَتَّى يَتَبَيَّنَ لَكُمُ الْخَيْطُ الْأَبْيَضُ مِنَ الْخَيْطِ الْأَسْوَدِ مِنَ الْفَجْرِ. You may eat and drink until it has become apparent or clear to you the white thread from the black thread. The white thread is referring to the daytime and the black thread is referring to the night time. That is actually the dawn time, and that is the beginning of Fajr time, where you may now start praying Fajr, Sunnah obviously, then the Fajr. And it is declared by the Adhan. Now everybody has a clock and has a time. The first Adhan, as the Prophet ﷺ said, do not be undertaken by the Adhan of Ibn Maktum. It does not and it should not stop you from eating and drinking. It is similar to what many countries nowadays, they present in their timetable during Ramadan. They say imsak time, which I repeatedly mentioned that is not the right thing to present to Muslims. When we say imsak, that means you must stop eating or drinking. Rather, it is to prepare yourself to stop eating and drinking. But you may eat and drink, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, حَتَّى يَتَبَيَّنَ لَكُمُ الْخَيْطُ الْأَبْيَضُ مِنَ الْخَيْطِ الْأَسْوَدِ مِنَ الْفَجْرِ, Surah Al-Baqarah. So, only the second Adhan, which counts for fasting, which counts for the prayer. If somebody heard the first Adhan and started praying the Sunnah of Fajr, it doesn't count, because that's still a part of the night. The second Adhan is the actual declaration of entering the Fajr time for the prayer itself. Wallahu a'lam.